Yo, Captain Greg here. What's up, guys? Today's a video about, I guess, future stuff. Guys, I want you to meet Axe. Axe is an awesome dog. A couple of my buddies have already met him, and he's gonna be in and out of the videos once in a while. Here he is. Yeah, he's being lazy today. So yeah, this is Axe. Yeah, you good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a brindle color. He's Great Pyrenees, an old English bulldog. I'll get the light on real quick. Get my captain's hat on somewhere, wherever it is. I don't know. Ooh, hey, it's kind of like a tour. Oh my, oh my. Oh, that's awesome. And now I'm dizzy. Oh. Hey, what's up? What's up? Say hi. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Sit. Down. Down. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Oh, where you sit? Now I can say it. Welcome aboard. I'm Captain Craig, and today's video is just about randomness. If you don't watch this video, I guess I'm gonna make the title a little misleading, but that's fine. Today marks almost pre-Friday Day, and pre-Friday Day is, well, it's payday. Motherfuckers want their money, and yeah. Alright, what are you doing? What are you doing? He's smart, but yeah. Guys, Seth, what the fuck's going on with your shit? Bro, really, yeah. The fucking Walking Dead is about to come on. Oh my god, we have 6 weeks left and just a few short days, and I'm ready to watch the next season. Now, on September 15th, if you do not know, on Netflix, they will have a series of season 6 coming up. Season 6 on Netflix, September, I believe they said 15th, and I'm gonna be binging out. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna clean this fucking house, get everything done. I was just wanting to give a shout out to all you motherfuckers, and sorry if you watched that one video about The Walking Dead with John Cena. It was funny. I enjoyed it, but you'll probably see more stupid shit like that. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'm Captain Craig. Peace out.